Last weekend, Tom had a series of unfortunate events. He woke up late because his alarm clock hadn't gone off, and by the time he got ready, he realized he had missed his usual bus to work. Frustrated, he decided to take the next one. However, when Tom arrived at the bus stop, the bus had already left. He checked his watch and saw that he was running late for an important meeting. Determined not to give up, Tom called a taxi, but the driver had already picked up another passenger. Feeling desperate, he started walking toward the nearest subway station. On his way, he remembered that he had left his laptop charger at home, which meant his battery would die soon. When Tom finally reached the office, his boss had already started the meeting. He apologized and explained the situation, but his boss wasn't impressed. To make matters worse, Tom realized he had forgotten to bring the presentation files he needed. It was definitely not his day. Despite everything, Tom learned an important lesson: always double-check his alarm and prepare everything the night before.